Imagine if the key to traveling through time was hidden inside a black hole. And what if we could create one ourselves? Black holes are some of the most mysterious objects in the universe, warping space, bending time, and stretching the boundaries of what we know about physics. But here's the real question. Could we actually make a black hole? And if we did, could it take us to another time, or even another place in the universe? Today, we're exploring the science, the theories, and the dangers behind creating a black hole for time travel. And if you stick with us until the end, we'll reveal a surprising truth about black holes that you won't want to miss. To understand how black holes might allow for time travel, let's look at what a black hole really is. It's more than just a cosmic vacuum. It's a place where gravity is so intense that it distorts the very fabric of space and time. As you approach a black hole, time itself starts to slow down. Near its edge, the event horizon, time would practically stand still. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, makes black holes a tantalizing prospect for exploring time travel. But could we actually create a black hole here on Earth? To make a black hole, you'd need to compress a mass as big as our Sun into something only a few kilometers wide. The gravitational force would be so strong, it would bend everything around it, even light. Here on Earth, we lack the massive amounts of energy to compress anything into a black hole. Or do we? Scientists at facilities like the Large Hadron Collider have been able to recreate conditions similar to those just after the Big Bang. Some have theorized that these high-energy collisions could briefly produce tiny, microscopic black holes. These microscopic black holes would exist only for fractions of a second before evaporating. They're too unstable for any kind of time travel, if they exist at all. While microscopic black holes are still mostly theoretical, they offer a glimpse into what could be possible with advanced technology. But even if we could create one, it would vanish too quickly to be of any practical use for time travel. Unlike full-sized black holes, these tiny ones wouldn't have the power to bend space and time in any meaningful way. They're just too small and too fleeting to open a path through time. But the idea still raises the question, could a stable black hole, or something like it, be created by advanced technology one day? Some scientists believe that black holes might be gateways to other points in space-time. Enter the theory of wormholes. A bridge connecting two distant points, theoretically allowing time travel. A wormhole, unlike a black hole, would create a shortcut through space and time. If we could stabilize one, it might allow us to travel through time or across vast distances. But there's a catch. Creating a stable wormhole would require exotic matter with negative energy, something we've never observed in nature. Without this, the wormhole would collapse in an instant. Even if we could create a black hole, controlling it would be nearly impossible. A stable black hole would attract everything nearby, growing larger as it consumed anything in its path. It's a power too dangerous to harness. Creating an artificial black hole might sound thrilling, but the risks are astronomical. Any experiment could easily get out of control, and the consequences would be devastating. But here's the surprising truth. Black holes aren't entirely black. They actually emit something called Hawking radiation, a theoretical prediction by physicist Stephen Hawking. This radiation means that black holes can slowly evaporate over time. So rather than being eternal cosmic vacuum cleaners, black holes might eventually disappear completely. This discovery reshapes our understanding of black holes and shows that they are even more complex and fascinating than we imagined. So while creating a black hole for time travel remains in the realm of science fiction, the mysteries they hold continue to inspire us. But did you know there's a black hole much closer to us than we might think? In our next episode, we'll explore the closest black hole to Earth, what it's like, and whether it could ever impact our planet. You won't want to miss it. Stay tuned for episode 2.